What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlogs. People, the energy I go up, look by local, you know, more people. Now I go lie. And right now today, it's a funeral. I'm supposed to go, you know, from a friend them for do a funeral video. But I'm through me there in our new area. We are Whitby. We have some time on hand. I say, why not go on a tour of downtown Whitby? Again, my people, if everybody's brand new here, it's a boy 416-876 Jamaica. I shoot a lot of Toronto vlogs. Can I just say GTA vlogs? A lot of hood videos, a lot of tour videos of the areas, a lot of beaches, a lot of parks videos, and I just showcase the areas that's around the GTA. We're also building a house in Jamaica, and we show a lot of places in Jamaica. Also, same thing we do here, we do there. So if you're new here, you like the content, just please like, share, subscribe. And right now, people, we at Whitby, downtown Whitby. I'm just want to go on a quick tour of how downtown look. I'm gonna walk up the street, go around a corner, and bust the next corner and go around the corner them. I'm gonna see how the place looks, so you can see from now. So we are downtown Whitby, guys. So we're gonna walk this area first and show you guys. So people, downtown Whitby now is more like, I would say they're more developed more than downtown Ajax. Remember we do downtown Ajax in our people. And it no look so. But remember again, you know, Ajax have two sides. You have the south side of Ajax and you have the north side of Ajax. So over on the Kingston side of Ajax, the Kingston, I think they call it Highway 2 or whatever they want to call it. It's more developed with the Best Buy, the beer store, Home Depot, Walmart, the Guest store, all that stuff them over on the side there. You understand? Over here, so now, this is downtown Whitby we are show you right now, my people. Let me say, we are go up the top, we are make a turn and go around because it's not really too big for even a half an hour long video the way fast me I go walk. So I go and walk it through and show you. To me so far, I like how the place look. Small, nice. Look at this outdoor thing right there, so I go on right here so too. Yeah man. Look at outdoor gathering area right here. I like this vibe. Yeah man, I like the look of outdoor look here, my people. I like that. And it's a mixed culture here too also. Come see a lot of black people here, a lot of white people here. And there's a lot of Indian people as yet. And we don't see a whole heap of Chinese as yet. That's the last two race them, right? So far just mostly black and white people we see around here. This place used to be, when we just moved to Canada, they used to go down and get an apartment for all 5 bills, 4 bills, because nobody never used to come out so far. Now, you're happy if you see them days there again. Because everybody and then grandmother want to move, come out to them side here now. Because everywhere got expensive. Yeah man, everywhere got expensive. So nothing not cheap again, no people. Nothing not cheap again. And again, my people, I do these videos for people around the world. If you come to Canada, you want to see one place you never see before. Now you see it. So now people, I'm going to turn because that was Brock Street we were on, right? That was the main intersection, Brock and Mary. So there's nothing really too much to show up at top. So we are going back down and go straight right down and walk back one of the street them and cut back around again. Because I want to try to show as much as possible of the area. People, I still have a headache. I take Advil this morning. I don't know why I still have a headache. But we'll make it go on, yeah man. Every day I get up from, and as soon as I reach back in my bed, the headache gone. As soon as I walk, headache come back. So, I don't know. Just go and take the Advil them from now on. Call it a day. But no matter what, this is a massage therapy place right there. So look like them have a lot of older type buildings out here, no? Really look that develop yet. Still developing, my people, but no, they have extent like oh downtown Toronto would that be. But I don't think no more other city in Canada develop like oh downtown Toronto is. You'd say Sydney, Vancouver, British Columbia, but I say even over Nova Scotia, downtown Nova Scotia. Where them call the party over there, so I can't remember, but a lot of places develop almost like Toronto now though. Probably I don't know if anyone in them pass. I think only place that pass are Vancouver. Yeah man. But these are the places in people, a lot of black girls and stuff live over here. Hello ladies.
So sorry.
It's all good. No, I'm just a show off the town. Nice little black girls them there, my people. So young mans, when you come out of Whitby, and you're a Jamaican man, you know say you have a chance to get a nice little brown in dark skin over here. So just remember me tell you that. Cause like me say, over here so it's a more mixed culture again. I don't see too much Asian yet. And I don't see too much brown yet. So I don't know what I go on. It's like them don't know about over here so yet. Cause any place them know about them capture. But if some people used to say Whitby used to be a bucketed place also. When I say bucketed place, drugs addicts. Yeah. More of a drugs addict place over here also. So I don't know. Doesn't look like that to me. I don't really see any street where I could bring you upon and say, yo, this place look like a drug addict place or whatever. Doesn't look like that to me so far. And again, more sisterins and things. I'm gonna say a whole heap of virgins. People them so far them no look ungodly over here too. I don't know if more walk up this so and then turn back around. But up there so look like I still a lot of places to see. This is the main downtown side of my people. So you know what? We're gonna walk down. I don't know if to walk to that stoplight and turn back. Oh, I don't think nothing going up there. But this is the main downtown. So I don't know. This is the main downtown. You have to walk on the Brock Street go down. This is the main downtown right now. This is the way they call it, like a young and Dundas downtown Toronto. This is their main. Yeah? Take it or leave it. Hello. People them look friendly over here. Yeah. Yeah, I go some places them not really friendly with darker skin colors people. These people over here look a lot friendlier to me than even in Toronto so far too. So I just my opinion here, my people. Doesn't have to be how you guys take it, but it's just how me feel and my opinion and how I look at it. Cause only for place I go, Pizza Bro, all of them places there. Hey, me if tell you how them treat some way. So again, I go down now on Brock Street. It's like again people, this is their main downtown. I don't know how they do this, so you know. Okay, so boardwalk. I have a gaming store area with patio and stuff like that. Fashion places, jewelry places. Again, I don't really see too much things where me that really entertain if you want live here. Otherwise, if the price is cheap, we can't drive go anywhere. Call it a day. So now we have to walk down to the main areas. If you like the video, my people, like up the video, my people, if you like it so far, please. Place the food out here don't look that expensive either. think this is the tallest building I see so far. I know it's not the tallest building, but the tallest building I see down this side so far. And a lot of places out here, you know, my people. Next nice little sister in there already. For ask her a question, you know. But I'm gonna ask, she up on her phone. Say again, my people, but nice girl, nice sister again. Again, my people, it's more of a multicultural round here, so that's all I can tell you. God no. Blessings. So yeah, I'm a blessing to him and him not give him head. Some people now knock them head too hard. Them just look upon you and you have to just cut your eye past them. Some people just like up a vlog for me now, please. Just like up a vlog. So I always come out and I show no new content. People, the content I'm supposed to show you today, it's not even this video, you know. It's about, what's it called? It's about a thing in Jamaica what happened on the weekend. And they prompt me to do a vlog saying the tourist board in Jamaica don't really care about the crime. We're gonna get onto that video here. Watch me. Go and pray. Yes, my peeps. So again, my people, downtown Whitby, I got the stoplight and probably turn around because there's no leap and go on our next street. And I really whole heap around here, my people. God know. You know that developed yet, but it's developed. I don't even see a club or nightlife. I don't even know, but you see your pubs and stuff like that. It's probably the only brown guy I see. Nice city so far. Again. And that's a multicultural people them right there, so black, white and brown. So you can see everything is more multicultural out here. And I like that. It's a nice environment. And again, my people, I used to say over here used to be a bucket area. I don't know a lot about Whitby like that, so me not gonna say. But that's what I heard. Every time I used to pass Whitby got a shower. And my family used to live over there, so that. Now I look at one Shoppers Drug Mart over here. I look at Dollarama. Treasury bin, look, liquidation, Scotties, Scooties or whatever they want to call it. Like a skating thing. I look at a restaurant right here, so Whitby Plaza, convenience, a Pizzaville, and a LCB if you like for drink. Cut off for drinking now for a bit. Ain't that do me no good. But check it out, my people. This is the downtown still. And I think you pass Galway Street. But I will go around now to the other side and walk out that side there too. Also, because I don't think there's much. I'll go on this back street right here because I think there's a little bit to show. Also, I have a Pizzaville. Right now at lunchtime, you know, my people, so only for people are come out and get them lunch. LCBO empty because at lunchtime people not try to drink so early. Sorry. What a Forbidden Fort. What this look like a plaza area. I don't know if Whitby have a ghetto, you know, but I know so every city probably have a ghetto. So if you don't know no ghetto part in a Whitby, people can send me it and I Google it and see how I like it. We'll go travel it. I'll go down to the next light and walk back around. We'll probably end off the video because there's not too much to really show in Whitby like that. Again, the place look modernly old. Yeah, the place look kind of old up. And look brand new. See, old design on the building there right there, so. And everything, you see? And it's a downtown, you know, my people. And you can't even buy a house here. Remember I tell you that. None of them also you see right here, so you can't afford. Well, some man can probably afford it, but me can't afford it. Boats upon top of boats, I one owner you have, you know, man. Alright. Scoop, sea bikes and everything. Daddy life well set off. I have a boat in Jamaica, ski bikes, or ATVs and stuff. A nice house. Money I come in every month. Me alright. Well, me set off in Jamaica. Remember I tell you that you will not see me on land too much. Catch fish every day and cook on the boat and live on the boat. Be honest with you know. Just to stay away from people more time. No joke. Like in Jamaica, my people, you don't want nobody know your whereabouts 90% of the time. Don't know why, but me just tell you that. Don't want nobody know which part you're there. Period. But this is, I don't know, this looks like a housing complex. I look at housing complex right here. Still look old. Like old days, seeing we. Like nothing never changed 30 years, 40 years. Yeah. I look at housing complex. See them all, see? How the place look. Like them I try to update it still. Still a walk through. Again, my people. If you live around here, so you're happy with life, you know, reason why you're right downtown. And if you even get a local job downtown, you're blessed. People, make sure you the design I'm want to do to my house. I'm happy to see it right now. Because I tell my cousin to do the same thing for me. Or something similar. Because everything in Jamaica is expensive, you know. And I see them thing. See them people now. So something similar like this. Or even stop the recording for a bit. And thing. People will continue walking. So again, I never see too much. I go on and I with my people. So if anybody out there think I did a bad job of touring downtown Whitby, it's in my comments here, man. Cause I think me walk it out. God no, me think me walk it out. But just don't see nothing I go on over here. On a building here. Like an apartment building. Camera when I go up more, man. Like an apartment building, my people. Yeah. And we're walking up back to Dundas. So this is just a back street me take. And I see if I could see nothing now. Go on. That's good, man. The downtown Whitby quite looks small, man.
Holy fuck.
It's like
what are you doing?
I'm just touring downtown just to show people downtown Whitby.
Yeah.
But it's quite small. Like I'm like
it's real small.
Yeah, I walked it out in like 10-15 minutes.
Where are you from?
Toronto.
Same.
Scarborough.
Same.
Yeah, but Jamaica I'm from, so I try to show the content to people worldwide who's coming to Canada and want to see the areas, you know?
And it is a scam now, bro.
It's a scam now.
Oh yeah, it's
like how much is an apartment around here now? I remember back in the days, nobody want to live here. It's like $400 or $500.
Yeah.
Now,
no, you know what? It's up there, but it's not as expensive as Toronto.
That's Toronto, right?
Yeah.
But so what good thing can you say for Whitby?
It's quiet.
That's what I was walking saying. It's a quiet area.
Quiet, but it's far.
And it's far. All right, man. Take care. Blessings. You hear that, my people? It's a quiet neighborhood. The price I might get up there, so if you really want to come out in a Whitby, best chance to come now when it's a little bit cheaper than Toronto. You hear that when I just say little bit cheaper. In Toronto you can still find a 1-2 cheap place in some lazy hoods when I do videos in. But all those hoods, like I said, They might get up, way up in price too. So I don't know what to tell you guys. I just don't know. But this is the downtown Whitby, my people. Not a lot to really see and talk about down here, for real, for real. It's just a quiet town. Too much. If you know, people, if you want me to do a next town, and just let me know. When I'm in that area, I'll do it. I'll try to do one downtown Brampton. Also, one in downtown Mississauga. We're doing downtown Toronto already. So, I don't need to go back over that again. People walk on the street and go down, and then we just go turn back. So far, I'm only see one LCBO and one beer store in this place. For downtown Toronto, you have about 4 beer store, 4 liquor place, 4 this, 4 that. Because again, not the population too, right? So again, like out here, so multicultural place, my people. Very diverse, very, very diverse. Eh? One little beer store over here. So like a beer, I used to love beer. But oh, people, I find a Tony. I find a Tony. People, I'm lucky there. I find a Tony, my people. I find a, you think me not take it up? Me I take it up. We find a Tony. Must my lucky there. Yeah. Father got up on my side today. Alright, well people, Pizza is here. Convenience store. You have Papa Pizza Land over here. And there's nothing really going on across from here. That's why I just turn back from right here, because you can mechanic shop over there. And yeah, that's so far, that's about it. Don't see that much going on. Not much. People just at work. It's just like another day, a next 9 to 5 job, my people. Again, my people, if you really want to work, man, get your trucking license. Blessings. Get your trucking license. You always find out one local job. You can't just get your DZ license. You can't even pay down and get it, my people. You always have a local job. From me like for work, a whole heap of trucking job me been doing. Oh, you have a tattoo place right here, so too. Whole heap of truck job me come and do. Whole heap tractor trailer all across North America me drive. Straight down to Mexico border. But straight back up to Canada. But yo, the amount of place we drive with people. I wish me that do vlogging back then. For sure not all those places, man. But if I go back, if I heal up back and if I go do back it again, I sure will be vlogging. Sometimes I wish me go back to tractor trailer. Just so I could tour back down Canada. And in each city I stop in, I do a vlog video, you know. But I think I'm gonna buy one of these transit van right here, so something like that, and do like a bed night and vibe out tonight and travel Canada show, you know. That's down the line though, people, not right now. I have traveled entire North America in a van. I live the van life. But you have to have an income coming in to live that van life. Alright, my peeps, so that's gonna be the end of the vlog, you know, my people. I think I covered all. Let me try to get this memorial thing right here for you guys. So you guys can see that we were actually downtown. So there's a nice memorial thing here. Yeah. So that. So yes, my people, thanks again for everyone who's been liking, watching the vlogs. Again, my people, I'm a Jamaican with the vlogs to everybody, and these videos is for people who come to Canada, even people who live in Canada and never even been to downtown Whitby before and want to see it. So if you can just leave a likes, leave a comment, leave a share, bless upon yourself, And thanks again. Alright, my people. Bless up.